Dear students, this is the revision module for your chapter number 2, the earliest societies. So in this, I'll take up all the important points of the chapter. So let us start with it. So if we talk about the prehistory, then we will talk about the three ages. But before that, there was an age when the humans appeared on earth. So when humans appeared on earth, they were hunter and gatherers, they were cave dwellers, and they were wearing animal hides. Tools were made up of bones, stones, and sticks. So this was very clear, right? We have already discussed this. Now, if we talk about the Paleolithic age, in Paleolithic age, the discovery of fire was there and stone tools, especially the tools which are core, flake, and blade tools were used. If we talk about Mesolithic age, then there was a change in the diet. Intake of plant food had increased. Now the tools were made sharper and smaller and more efficient. In the Mesolithic age only we saw the domestication of animals, and they domesticated animals in this age. In Neolithic age, if we talk about, then the age in this age we saw the agriculture as well as the animal husbandry. That means they started with the domestication of animals. The wheel was invented and the use of pottery was began. So this is all about the prehistory. Now, in this we are going to start with the Paleolithic age. In the Paleolithic age, the first stone tools appeared, right? Then the tools were like hand axes and chopping tools. Earth was covered with ice, so that is why it is known as the Ice Age. Then the sites, river Son in Punjab, which is now in Pakistan, and river Narmada was the sites, are the sites of early Paleolithic age. Now, if we talk about the middle Paleolithic age, then flake tools were used. Needles have been found. Furs and animal skins sewn to cover human body. That means they were started covering the body with the sewn furs and animal skins. Then they started painting the caves, walls of the caves, right? Then burial of the dead person started. Middle Paleolithic sites were near the river Luni in Rajasthan and Narmada Valley. So these are the Middle Paleolithic sites. Upper Paleolithic site, the last phase of the ice age. That means now the climate has become warmer. Blade tools were used. First human made shelters were found in this upper Paleolithic age. Then people started making jewelry out of shells and bones, like you can say the necklaces and the bracelets. And Bhimbetka is the Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is the site. Okay. Now, the types of stone tools, you can see that there are the different types of stone tools like core tools, flake tools, and blade tools. If we talk about core tools, flake tools, and blade tools, then the core tools are the tools which are of the size of human hand and used for throwing and pounding, right? Flake tools used for scraping. That means you can scrape anything. Then blade tools. Blade tools were twice the breadth of the length is twice the breadth of the stone, right? And it looks like a knife, spears, and arrowhead. So these you can see even from the pictures. Now, discovery of fire was an accident, right? It was not discovered by the person, but it was an accident. You can say they have rubbed two stones, or might be by chance two stones were rubbed together. So the you can see from this uh, flow chart that it was an accident, right? The evidence of use was found in Chesovanza in Kenya and Kurnool in India. Then it was, you can say, discovered in the Paleolithic age. Then there were majorly four uses of the fire, that is provided warmth, they lit up the dark caves and cooked food, as well as they keep the wild animals away from them because wild animals were scared of the fire. Now Mesolithic age. Now Mesolithic age was the age when the people were hunter and gatherers, and there was a change in their diet. Now there was more emphasis on the small animals. They were not hunting big animals anymore now, and they are using plant food like cereals, etc. Right? Then domestication of animal began. The first animal kept as pet was dog. Then people used small and efficient tools which were called as microliths. Okay. Now, if we talk about Neolithic age, beginning of farming has started. In this, rice, wheat, barley, and other pulses also they started growing. Then people become now food producers or farmers from the hunters and gatherers. Now there was this age is also known as the Neolithic Revolution because drastic developments and the changes have happened. Domestication of plants and animals have started. Cattle, goats appeared and domesticated. Then leading a settled life was there to take care of the plants. That means whatever they are growing as crops, they were taking care of that as well. Now, Neolithic age, again, if we talk about more things, so they lived in the permanent settlements, which are known as the human-made shelters, right? And the dwelling pits were also found, right? And the site is Burza home in Kashmir, where the dwelling pits were found. Now, invention of the wheel was a very important achievement in the Neolithic age. Then they made the pottery. Baked pottery was used to store liquids. Then tools, stone axes, sickles, plows. These were the tools which were used. Now they are far better, sharper, and polished ones. Arrow was also used for hunting. And the most important thing, they started living in groups and the tribes were formed. Right, in the tribes, they started choosing a leader, which can be a oldest person of the tribe or which can be the strongest person. From there only the division of labor started, right, in which the work was divided between the people. Men were going to the fields, right? They were going for the hunting. But if we talk about the women, they were taking care of the plants as well as the home, right? So this is all about the chapter. I hope it is very clear to you now. Thank you and have a nice day.